Shivaji Group of Institution online classes. Student, in previous class we have completed chapter 3rd. Now today we will solve some numerical problem based on pressure. Now first numerical is, what is the pressure exerted by a box of 20 Newton having an area of cross section is 5 meter square. Student, in this question, force is 20 Newton and area of cross section is 5 meter square. And we have to find out pressure. Student, as you know that the formula of pressure is P equal to force divided by area of cross section. Here force is 20 Newton and area of cross section is 5 meter square. After solving, we get 4 Newton per meter square or 4 Pascal. Student, as you know that Pascal or Newton per meter square, the unit of pressure. So answer will be 4 Newton per meter square or 4 Pascal. Now second numerical is, what is the area of cross section of a box that weighs 50 Newton and exerts a pressure of 25 Pascal. Student, in this question, force is 50 Newton and pressure is 25 Pascal. And we have to find out area of cross section. Student, as you know that pressure equal to force divided by area of cross section, or we can say area equal to force divided by pressure. Here force is 50 Newton and pressure is 25 Pascal. After solving, we get 2 meter square. Numerical number 3rd. A girl of weight 500 Newton has feet with a total area of 200 centimeter square. What pressure does on the ground if she stands on both the feet? Student, in this question, force is 500 Newton and area of cross section is 200 centimeter square, and we have to find out pressure. Student, firstly we have to convert centimeter square into meter square because the unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. Student, as you know that 1 centimeter equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So 1 centimeter square equal to 1 upon 100 into 1 upon 100 meter square. So here area is 200 centimeter square. So 200 centimeter square equal to 200 divided by 100 into 100. 2 divided by 100 meter square, or we can write it as 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter square. As you know that pressure equal to force divided by area of cross section. Here force is 500 and area of cross section is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Student, after solving, we get 2.5 Pascal or 2.5 Newton per meter square. So pressure will be 2.5 Pascal or 2.5 Newton per meter square. Question number 4. In a swimming pool of width 9 meter and length 24 meter, a person exerts a force of 21,600 Newton on his body at its bottom due to water. Find the pressure exerted by the water at the bottom of the pool. Student, in this question, force is 21,600 Newton. And we have to find out pressure. Student, as you know that pressure equal to force divided by area of cross section. In this question, force is 21,600 Newton, but here area of cross section is not given. So firstly we have to find out area of swimming pool. Student, लेंथ 24 मीटर, लेंथ कितनी है 24 मीटर एंड विड्थ कितनी है 9 मीटर and this shape is rectangle and you know that the area of rectangle is length into breadth. Here length is 24 and breadth is 9 meter and after solving 216 meter square. प्रेशर इक्वल टू फोर्स डिवाइड बाय एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन. पहले से लिखा था फोर्स इज 21,600 एंड एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन कितना निकाला है 216 एंड आफ्टर सॉल्विंग वी गेट 100 न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर और 100 पास्कल. सो प्रेशर विल बी 100 न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर. Now student, question number 5. The pressure of a gas in an LPG cylinder with a movable piston is 300 Pascal. The area of the piston is 0.5 meter square. Calculate the force exerted on the piston. Student, in this question, pressure is 300 Pascal. And area of cross section of piston is 0.5 meter square and we have to find out force. As you know that pressure equal to force divided by area of cross section, or we can write force equal to pressure into area. Here pressure is 300 and area of cross section is 0.5. After multiplying we get 150 Pascal or 150 Newton per meter square. So pressure will be 150 Newton per meter square. Student, today's class is over. Thank you.